Smartphones are now essential. We rely on them for communication, information, and entertainment, but their prices keep rising. Many wonder why this is happening. The answer is complex. It involves many factors, from production to competition. Gone are the days of simple phones. Today's smartphones are powerful computers. They require sophisticated components and intricate manufacturing processes. All of this adds to the cost. Furthermore, consumer expectations have risen. We demand cutting-edge features, sleek designs, and long-lasting batteries. Meeting these demands necessitates expensive research and development. Production costs are a major factor in phone pricing. These costs encompass everything involved in making a phone. Raw materials, manufacturing, and labor all play a role. Raw materials like precious metals and rare earth elements are essential components. Their prices fluctuate, impacting the final cost. Manufacturing processes, often automated and requiring specialized equipment, also contribute significantly. Moreover, labor costs, including skilled engineers and assembly line workers, cannot be ignored. The complexity of smartphone production demands a skilled workforce, which comes at a price. Technology is a double-edged sword in phone pricing. On one hand, advancements can lead to more efficient production, potentially lowering costs. On the other hand, the pursuit of the latest technology drives up costs. Consumers demand faster processors, better cameras, and innovative features. Meeting these demands requires constant research and development, which is expensive. Companies invest heavily in creating new technologies and incorporating them into their phones. This leads to a cycle of innovation and price increases. As new technologies become standard, their production costs may decrease. However, they are quickly replaced by even newer, more expensive technologies, continuing the cycle. In conclusion, the high price of smartphones is a result of a complex interplay of factors. Production costs, driven by raw materials, manufacturing, and labor, form the foundation. Technological advancements, while potentially increasing efficiency, often lead to higher costs in the pursuit of innovation. Market competition also plays a role. Companies must balance pricing with features and brand perception. The costs of research and development, crucial for staying competitive, further contribute to the final price. Ultimately, the price we pay for smartphones reflects the value we place on staying connected in an increasingly digital world.